Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to run bash commands on your Azure Sandbox environment, and this is going to be a walkthrough on Microsoft Azure portal. So let's jump into the video of the day. So we're going to do a number of commands, and we'll start with the first one. And before we could start, let's open the Cloud Shell command. So I'll click on connect. This will take at least 30 to 1 minute of loading, and we now have the shell. So I'm going to clear the command. So I'm going to clear the screen, the clear command. Then we're going to run our first command to list all files and directories of the current directory. So I'm going to do the ls command, and the output you're expecting is the cloud drive, so it's shown on the screen. The second command is the print working directory command, which is a pwd command, and you expected to see the home main directory as well as the name of a particular instance. So for my case, it says Chacha, that's easy Chacha. The third command is the ls-a command, which is a bash flag to print all the hidden files and directories. So I'll do an ls -a. So for the hidden directories and files, you're expecting to see a period at the beginning of that particular folder or that particular file. And for more details, you can read through this particular write-up. So I'm going to clear this using the clear command. Running these commands can be complicated, and sometimes you might make commands that you might have made some mistake. So we are going to run this particular command, and in that case we are going to do a recall of the previous command so that you can correct it. So I will copy this command and paste it here. So from the output provided, clearly this file or directory is not available. So for me to amend this, I'm just going to use the up arrow key. I'll hit it once. Then I'm going to replace the 3 with a 2 and hit enter. And now I'm able to see all the list of log files that are within my Azure Sandbox instance. So we'll clear this part. So for this section, subsection within this particular lab, we're going to do autocompletion, and for that matter, we are going to use the catenator command, which is expected to print all the contents of the file to the screen. So I'm going to type cat .az, then hit tab. It's going to populate the next command, the next folder. Then since I already know the next folder's name, I'll do command com tab, add the s / do tab. It will auto populate. So I'm going to do another tab just for it to list all the directories. So for that matter, I'll hit spacebar for it to do the more. So we are expecting to run this last particular command. So for that matter, I'm going to do we've gotten up to this bit. So I'm going to autocomplete this particular section. So for my case, I'll just copy, paste it here. Let me edit this. Okay, let me clear the screen so that we can see the entire printout well. I'll use the up arrow key to redo the particular command. If I hit enter, this is the output I'm expected to see. So for that particular subsection, it's complete. I'm going to clear my screen. to continue the other bit. So the last bit we are going to do is the use of the man command. So for this particular command, it's expected to bring up more information about any particular command within the PowerShell environment or the Cloud Shell infrastructure. So for our case, we are going to use the catenate command. So I'll do man, then cat, and if I hit enter, it's going to populate its particular name, which is concatenate the files, and print all the standard output, and also a synopsis of the same of how we are able to use this particular command, and a brief description and the sub bits of how we expected to use this particular command. So I'll click on spacebar to read more about this command. Okay, so another bit that you're going to do within this particular lab is the change directory. So, and for that we use the bash command cd, that's change directory. So for our first command that we're going to use is the cd tilde. So I'll clear this screen, the clear command. So I'll do cd tilde, and it's going to show us we're within the home directory. So also, if we want to confirm that, we'll use the print directory command pwd, and yes, that's shows we are within the home and hazy chacha directory for that matter. So if we wanted to change directory to, let's say, Azure then commands directory, we're going to do cd.azure tab commands tab s tab enter. So if we still do pwd, that has since changed. So if I want to move one step up, I'm going to use cd, then the special double dot, and hit enter. So if I do pwd, I'm back in the Azure subdirectory. That will be it for today's video, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.